Hey y'all, I posted a question the other day on Facebook asking how many of y'all measure out your ingredients or do you just eyeball it? Well, here's my collection. I didn't realize how many it was until I started pulling them out of the cabinet. That the door got where it wouldn't close because it needed to be organized. It's kind of like, I have a problem. Anyway, I will get started with these two. When I was in the fourth grade, I received this measuring cup. It was in fourth grade, 4-H. I placed second in a baking contest. And so as the prize, I got a 2-cup measuring cup. Well, I've quit using it because the paint, printing, and everything's about to come off of it, and putting it through the dishwasher. And I'll have to admit, I dishwasher about everything if I can. And then this one here, when my grandmother, Ma Melton, passed, family was going through her items, and they kind of said, what would I like? So I took her 1-cup measuring cup. I love this little cup. Not only because it was hers, but because of the way it's made. It has 3 spouts. You can put something in it and you can pour it right or left or forward and you have a spout. I love that little cup, but I don't use it any longer because I don't want it to get broken and it be gone. But that was Ma Melton's. Then I just inherited this through some stuff. And I don't even know why I got it, other than the fact that it says it's a 1/2-cup measure. I have not measured it, so I don't know. And then I've got 2 Rubbermaid. Not Rubbermaid, Tupperware. This one has a crack in it, so I ordered a replacement, and I got this instead. I still use this when I can. It leaks out through that little tiny hole that's there, but I use it because I like that one over this one. Don't ask me. I don't know. But, they both measure. Then I have an 8-cup, a 4-cup, another 4-cup, a 2-cup, a 2-cup, and 2 1-cups. This one I bought when I put this one up to replace it in my cabinet. Well, I was at Goodwill and I seen some measuring cups, so I picked up 1 or 2 measuring cups there. Now, I will say these are the Pampered Chef measuring cups. I love those. I still have the lids that go to them, and I do use them, especially during the canning season. I especially use this one. Do I use it as batter bowls? Not really, because I do have bowls that I mix in. I should use them, but I just haven't started doing that. I need to. Then I have this Pyrex, and I may have gotten that from my daughter in her collection. I'm not sure. Then I have my 2 dry ingredients. And these measuring cups, some of them have been washed and in the dish drain. But this is 2 Tupperware. And then this is one in a collection I got. This one here, this one came out of a box of Sears and Roebuck detergent years ago. With my husband having worked with Sears, that's what we used to wash our clothes. And I liked it, so I used it. Anyway, and then this one is one that you can measure peanut butter, and use and then all you have to do is just slide it down and it just pops right out. It's good for peanut butter, Crisco, anything like that. Then to come to find out, I have all these measuring spoons. Oh well, I think this was my first set. Then this one. And it's like, sometimes I would use both of these and they would be dirty. I gotta have another one. Because it's gotta be clean. And then I inherited these. I picked these up cheap somewhere. I think I inherited these 2. Don't have the rest of them. This one, I don't know, I got somewhere. But now these I ordered and I'm not even sure. No, I bought them when I was there at the store. It was this store that has all old stuff. I'm not sure. Don't remember the name. But it has a nip, a smidgen, a pinch, and a dash. So when I pull out my great-grandmother's cookbook and I want to use a recipe in there and it calls for a smidgen, I got a measuring spoon for a smidgen. So yes, y'all, I do use measuring cups and measuring spoons. Now I'm going to get these organized and put them back in my cabinet so the door will close. Just letting you know. Oh, and this, by the way, this is not all of them. I have a large Tupperware measuring cup that I'm thinking it's an 8-cup also. But at this point, I couldn't quite put my hands on it. But I did want to show you that, yes, I do use measuring cups and measuring spoons when I cook. You could ask Laura. She can tell you. Yeah, Mama does. So, we'll talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good weekend. And we'll see you on the next video.